Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the second cash stuffing envelope for the month of September, and I have already did my paycheck bill tracker, and as you can see it's a little bit different from last week. I have decided that I want to take out cash every week for my bills, and once they're due I will just go ahead and deposit the money. Okay, so I have 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, so 210, 220, 30, 35, 36, 35, sorry I can't count, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay. Alright, so let's just get to stuffing here. I have all my cash right here, and then here is my planner, my binder, for all my cash envelopes, and I do have some cash in here. Groceries, I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and I'm gonna save my dollars because I want to start doing that $1 challenge. So I'm gonna take this dollar from my kids envelope, which I found and it was in my car. So I'm gonna set that aside here, and then I have my fives, and I am going to set that aside also. Okay, so groceries, I have $10 left, and for this week I just want to put in $70 to equal up 80. So it's gonna be 20, 40, 60, and a 10. So now I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Okay. And then for my husband, he is not getting anything. Me, I'm not getting anything. Phone bill has $20 for my kids from last week, so I'm gonna take that out. And I'm gonna put that 20 in the kids' envelope. And then miscellaneous still has 30 because I have not gone to the store yet to grab what I need. So I'm gonna keep that to the side. Medical isn't getting anything. Vacation, we are skipping. Car insurance. Okay, so car insurance is going to get 25. 25 here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 25 on my budget sheet. Today is 9/12. Hold on. Okay, so today is 9/12. I'm gonna do add $25 equals, give me a second. $63. Okay, so I have 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Okay. Savings gets the $5 bills earlier that I showed you. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20. Really happy about that. If you watch my previous videos, I have not been putting anything in here. So 9, 12, and a plus sign, and $20. So that's very exciting. Okay. House improvement, I'm not putting anything in there. Car maintenance, I'm not putting anything in there, but I did take out a 20. So I need to write that on here. So 9, 12 minus $20 equals $80. Okay. And then Christmas is not getting anything this week. Best Buy is getting $40. And my Best Buy credit card is due this week. So do you guys like the stickers on here? All of these stickers are from the Happy Planner. Okay, so now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So I'm gonna go and deposit this so I can pay off my Best Buy card. And as I mentioned earlier, I am almost done paying this off. So I'm really happy about that. All right, so these are my new sinking fund envelopes, and these are more likely for my bills that I am going to be paying off every month. So for car payment gets $58. So I'm gonna take this 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. And I need a budget sheet. Just give me one moment. Okay, so this is gonna be for car payment. And today is 12 plus sign 58. Okay. Card payment, I chose these flowers. I think it adds a really cute touch on this envelope. Okay, so for bills, it's going to get $40, and it is going towards my husband's credit card. We charge all of our utility bills on his credit card, and then every month we make sure that we pay it all off. So it's getting 40. So bills, $9.12 plus sign, $20. Nope, $40. And I chose this kind of layout for this envelope because I kind of felt like it was like a Boss Babe envelope. So, you know, you gotta pay your bills. So that's why I chose her. Okay, so my next one is Wells Fargo, and Wells Fargo is gonna get 15. So 9.12 plus sign 15 equals 15. Do you guys like this one though? I think it's really cute. Again, like I said, all of these stickers are from the Happy Planner. Okay. All right, and then I do have to make another envelope for my $1 challenge that I want to do. For now, I'm just gonna keep it in my phone bill envelope. Okay, so I have, let's see, I have 3 new envelopes. So I'm pretty happy and excited for these. And yeah, hopefully next week we will be stuffing mostly all of these. Okay, well, I'm gonna do this off camera, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and wait for my next video for next week. Thank you. Bye.